Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So as you can see on the title, today I'm going to teach you how to draw french fries. Now get a paper and pen, and also you can use marker and crayon if you want, and then let's get started. Starting off by drawing a line, I'm gonna draw the top of the french fries box. Make sure your line looks just the same as mine. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna draw a line goes down. And do the same on this side. And at the bottom, draw a diagonal line and connect them. Now I'm gonna draw the french fries by drawing a line goes down. Draw a short line in here and draw another straight line goes down. I'll make it overlapping and make it taller than the previous one. Draw a short line to the left and bring the line goes down. Make it as much as you want. It can be shorter or taller, just don't draw it all the same height. And next, we're gonna draw oval shape in the middle of the box, just like this. And we are ready to coloring it. I'm using yellow marker for the french fries. And red marker to coloring the box. Leave the oval white and write down the letter fries on the inside.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I
got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. See you on my next video.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my